Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. If you've ever wanted to make a splash when a viewer redeems your Hydrate channel point on a live stream, then this is the import rule for you. First of all, you want to head to aitum.tv/imports. Scroll on down to the Hydrate item and then click on download next to this. Inside the Google Drive, download the import file and the video file supplied. Next, you'll want to load up OBS. Inside OBS, create a new media file source. Locate the video file we downloaded before and select this as the file option. Next, right-click on the source and select Filters. We want to then add a chroma key filter on the Effects Filters tab. Remember afterwards as well to right-click on your audio levels and select Advanced Audio Properties and to have the source as Monitor and Output. This is so we can hear when the redemption has been triggered. Now it's time to load up Aitum. We want to create a new channel point redemption for this Hydrate item. So first of all, we want to head to Twitch and then Redemptions. Set up your Hydrate redemption by clicking on New Redemption on the top left and set it up accordingly to how you want it to be. After this, we want to head to the Rules section. Click on Import Export Rule in the top right, select Import and locate the file we downloaded before. In the next screen, select your OBS integration, the file source that we set up before in OBS, and finally, the channel point redemption we have just set up in Aitum. And that's all there is to it. Now when someone redeems the Hydrate redemption, you and your viewers will get splashed live on stream. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or want to show us something very cool that you have made with Aitum, please follow us over on Twitter or join the Discord. Links to both will be in the description down below.